Well, good morning all. It's another Monday. This week I'm going to try and get some car work done. So I've just ordered the oil and oil filter for the Mini. I need to go out and get some fuel. We'll put a battery on it and we'll see if we can get it to fire up. This morning I've just been out and helped a local chap move his Mr. 2. It has leaking fuel injectors. He didn't want to drive it. So just a gesture of goodwill to someone local. I just picked it up and dropped this at a garage. So yeah. So let's get the doors open. Let's get the cars out the way and let's get on with this Mini. Just a quick interjection, I think that's the word. All the people that have asked me about this buy a coffee thing, I've done it, I've set it up, the link is in the bio, so if you want to, it's there. All appreciated, thank you. Right, well, we have Commer's Classic Oiling. We have a new filter on. We have 10 litres of BP's Ultimate. So I suppose we should try it really, shouldn't we? Is it even going to turn over? I don't know. Let's see.
They're pretty versatile little engines, to be fair, they don't.
Here goes nothing.
Oh, hang on. Do that again. Try again. Again.
Ah, bitch. What's it back for?
Yeah.
Is kind of loose, so I don't know if it needs adjusting.
There we go.
Put me a choke on, John.
I'll just go a little bit.
That's the first one in 10 years. Thank you very much. Got to see if it's got clutch.
Yeah.
Does it have brakes? Yeah.
That means it's basically ready to drive.
It would be if I had a seat.
Yeah, it's probably a bit rich on the old mixture and stuff, but don't know if the time is 100%. But
No. It starts nice enough for it to fire up. That's it. He's starting to put some electrics on it now, try and get some lights working and stuff.
again. It's probably more like still jump done than the 63, probably on a bit here, there, and
I
everywhere.
just make sure it's run before I've got the car service. Yeah. Lovely, thank you very much, mate. I appreciate that. Cool. Right, so as you saw there, a massive thank you to my neighbour Alex for coming over and having a little tinker. He's had a few of these before, so knew where to go straight away. I've never played with these, so obviously I'll just be shooting in the dark, so it's handy to have someone who knows what they're doing. So on the key, there we go, fires straight up. Lovely old job. So I'll just turn it off again. So now my next port of call is to get my friend James round, who's going to come over for a few hours and go through electrics and stuff like that. He knows them inside out, so he'll know what wires what and what goes where. So I think for now we'll leave this on here, and I'm going to get all the spares down from up there and see what we've got ready to go on it. Right, well now it's been running, we can have a quick look. It's had oil in it all afternoon. All right, it's still oily here where it was leaking before, but you can see it is dry. So that repair has done the job, which is bloody marvellous. Right, I've been over there and got as many of the spares that I think I need or want to look through over here. I also have some down there. They were too heavy to lift, so I used the pallet truck and just lifted that up to that shelf and then swapped them over. So now that I want the boot handle, well, number plate light off that. There is a pedal box there with some decent pedals on. We might be able to just change the pedals over, because obviously they've got them, the car's got the horrible Momo huge things on. Various boxes and various bits. So we can go through all this, take it downstairs and work out what we need to go on the car. So that is my next job. Right, well, Tuesday, as you saw, I wasn't in the workshop. We were taking trees down. I say I was. The builders next door were. There's three new houses going on the old site next to our house. And part of it, the agreement was they took the big old conifers down. So there's one of them gone down, as you saw. The next one's coming down today, so I'm going to leave them to it. So yeah, so today is Wednesday. Back in the workshop, I've got a friend coming in to use the ramp for the day. He's got a VW Polo that needs an EGR cooler, I think. Book time is 6 hours. He can't do it on his drive, so I said he can come and use the workshop. I'm going to be upstairs painting, so I'll show you a few progress bits as we go along. So let's get let's get the day started. Well, it's a bit of a mess up here at the moment, but we have got 2 coats of paint on the walls. I've got to put some more wood up there and then paint that. I've got a bit of paint left, but we are pretty much there. So maybe we can start looking at floors next once that wood panelling's up and painted. I think we need to go shopping.
Hello, it is now Friday. Yesterday was more painting, as you saw in the last clip, and then last night I went to the Bridge Classic Cars Sunset Meet. I'll put a link to that video of theirs in. I didn't take any film, but you can see the lovely Molly wandering around. See some of our cars in the background. So today, Friday, I'm doing a bit of work in the workshop. Now I know I started off with a Mini and I wanted to get a bit further along with the Mini this week, but the Mezzanine does take priority because I want to try and get it usable, and then I'll free up some space downstairs. So today I've insulated and finished off panelling up here. Obviously I need to paint that, but obviously now we've got 2 coats of paint on everything, so it's a lot cleaner, a lot better for being up here, so I can see all the creepy crawlies because no one wants those. I've not painted the Maserati logos in the wood just because. So that's this morning done. Well, some of this morning. Next job is I'm going to start removing the kitchen. I'm going to start on the bottom cabinets first to get them upstairs, and then we can put our new worktops on. So that is the next job, and we'll carry on for the rest of the day, no doubt. So I'll cut in at the end, show you how far I've got, and then wrap this week's video up. Right, the lower half of the kitchen is out. Obviously, that's loads of stuff that was in it. I've got to sort all that lot out. We'll worry about the top half next week. There we are. Stainless steel worktops all the way along. Obviously not to the very end, but my plan for my desk to go in that corner. So yeah, so we've got plenty of workspace. Obviously I had to leave this out in case we have to drop the CB aerial. But yeah, the only issue is where the wall's not straight, I've got a bit of a gap here. So I've got to fill that with something, but I'm sure we can sort something, make a bit of wood to fit in there, and then, yeah. So, they're all in and all fixed down. At least it means I can still use the cupboards. That one never had a cupboard door on because it was in the corner, but I might be able to find a door for that. Or clean it and shelve it. But then now we've got different workspaces. By the time there's a chair here, it's hard to tell because obviously I'm quite close. But yeah, once there's a chair there, I can use that bit, and then I can move along and put my chair on this bit, and then there's a small gap there, but I don't know, we'll do something with that. We might even just board it off, or as I say, put some shelves in there. And then we've got the corner shelves there we can use, and then the plan for the desk to go there. So a very sweaty me because it's very warm up here after lugging all this lot up here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Next week I hope we'll get back on the cars. I have got to sort the flooring out up here, but that'll be a quick. There was none here, now there is. So hopefully we'll be on cars next week. We've got a Freelander booked in for a condenser replacement, amongst other things. So yeah, as I say, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you bright and early on Monday.